Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're here with another Get Ready With Me. So first we're going to start off with my hair. I'm looking a mess. I flat ironed my hair like a week ago, and this is the outcome after not touching it basically for a week. So I'm going to do a ponytail, and I was debating on if I wanted a middle part or a side part, but I ended up going with the side part, as you guys can see here. So this is going to be a low pony. Since my hair is already like kind of flat ironed, some of the work is already done. I don't have to mold too much, but I'm using beeswax and the Kiss Edge Fixer, and I'm just going to use that to start molding my hair back, similar to what I would do with like Eco Styler gel. But this is just more of a sleeker, softer look. When you use the gel, it makes my hair wave up more. So yeah, I'm just going to continue applying that and brushing my hair until I get it into a slick, low ponytail. And I do recommend doing this on dirty hair. Like, don't waste a good wash just slicking your hair back. That's why my hair is looking rough. It's dirty, but it's back and it's all slick and smooth. So now I'm just going to spray a little, pump it up on a brush, and just brush it over my head just for, you know, a little additional hold. And then I'm going to do my edges, my baby hairs. Y'all done seen me do this a million times. And then I'm going to put on a scarf and move on to my face. So I did my brows and foundation off camera, so now we're going to move on to the eyes. First, I'm going to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I'm taking that brown tan color and just building that into my crease. Then I'm going to go into an Odie eyeshadow palette. This is a Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to use that dark brown color, and I'm going to start blending that into my outer V. Next, going into my artist palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to take this green shimmery eyeshadow and just pack that all over my eyelid. Then going back into that dark brown and just kind of smoking out that outer corner just a little more. Now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Solar Flare palette. I'm going to take like this iridescent green shimmer and pop that into my inner corners. And then I'm just going to finish the rest of my face, set my foundation. My face routine hasn't really changed much. When it comes to my like main staple face products, I usually go with the same things because I know that it works for me and I like the finish that it gives me. So I will link everything down below as usual. For highlight, I'm using the NYX Synthetica highlight, and I popped on some lashes somewhere in there, and that's pretty much it for my face. Now I'm going to finish my ponytail. So I let my hair sit. It was kind of sticky and it was a little bit of residue, but it ended up drying, so that ended up not being a big deal. But I'm using this Wiggins hair. This has been, y'all seen this hair before. I always use this for a ponytail. I usually do a high up ponytail, so it's that same hair that I use for that ponytail. So yeah, I'm just wrapping it around. So this is how the hair looks after it's been like brushed out. The hair does get really defined and curly, but I wanted this ponytail to be really big and full, so I brushed it out and combed it out after I let it air dry. I'm going to use a piece of the ponytail just to create a band to hide my weft, and I'm going to wrap it around, secure it with a bobby pin and a little bit of pump it up, and that is pretty much it for the ponytail. And for my lips, I'm just doing one of my signature nudes. Y'all, I really hate the way lipstick feels now, and I just keep going to my nude, and this is Jubilee by ColourPop, and on top of it I use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and that is it for my face. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I intended for it to be a full get ready with me with outfit included, but I had my niece do my outfit and it was a fail. So if you want details on my outfit, go to my Instagram page and I'll also link them down below, and I'll insert the clips at the end, but like I said, it's a fail. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Okay, now it should be recording.
Yeah, it's recording. What you doing?
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you doing all kind of stuff. Go in the pool over there. Go in the pool.
In the pool?
Not in the pool.
Hold the camera with two hands. Pay attention.
Not in the pool. In the pool.
In the pool?
Uh-huh.
No.
No, wait.
Let me see.